Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Before I get started today, go ahead and do me this quick favor right now. Subscribe to my channel, like up the video, comment down below, share the video, and most definitely turn on y'all post notification bells in order to be notified each and every time I drop a new video for y'all, okay? So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right, so this is the package that came today, y'all. I already opened it, as y'all can see. Okay, so this is all the SHEIN items that's in this big bag, okay? So I'm gonna be showing y'all everything. And yeah, I'm about to get this thing started, so there you go. So I'm gonna show y'all these 3 clothing pieces that I had got. Then I'll show y'all a clip of me with it on the side, so y'all can see how it looks. So this is this black and white dress. Sorry, y'all, I tried it on earlier, so it's a little out of place, but this is the dress. Very stretchy, y'all. Very stretchy. Super cute. I got this in a size large. Very stretchy. Of course, you're gonna have to wear something up under this because it is kind of see-through. So I end up putting me a pair of black shorts up under this because it's a bit see-through, okay? So a heads up. So yeah, this is the blouse, y'all. Well, not blouse. I keep saying blouse. The dress. Really comfortable, y'all. Extremely comfortable. They had other colors, but I decided to go with the old-fashioned black and white because I love me some black and white. Okay. Fire. So this is the next 2-piece. This one right here, it's just a basic, simple, easy outfit to wear, especially when you're trying to go out and make a little bit of errands or make several errands. You can just throw this 2-piece on. You see they look like leggings, but they're a little bit thicker than leggings. So very thicker. So comfortable. They had a bunch of other colors, but you know me, I had to go with the all black because yeah, I love me some black. They had red on there, but y'all know I like red too, but I had to get the black. All black, baby. In a size extra large. I got this outfit in an extra large. It's just plain and basic. I don't know what type of material this is. It's that real soft, stretchy material. As y'all can see, very soft and stretchy. I can't wait to wear this. I might wear these with my black and white dunks. I don't know. Or I might wear it with some Air Force Ones. I don't know. I have to buy some more Air Force Ones because I don't got no Air Force Ones. So for sure, I'm gonna have to buy some Air Forces to go with this fit, this little basic little fit. So this is the last clothing item. This is also a 2-piece gray basic outfit. So this is the blouse. As y'all can see, it came with a hoodie. This is the sleeves. And these are the pants. The pants have pockets, of course, as y'all can see. They got pockets. And these are how the bottoms look at the ankles. So yeah, that's what those are given. And this outfit is so freaking comfortable. It's so soft, y'all. It's stretchy, of course. I don't know, everything I buy seems to be stretchy from SHEIN. But I like it. It's so simple and very easy. I like outfits that's very easy and simple to put on. It's not doing too much. It ain't doing too much. It's just doing perfect, right? All right, so and of course I'm not gonna try these on. These are just bras. Okay, so of course I'm gonna leave a picture over here so that y'all can see how it looks. So this is a black bra. It's giving Valentine's Day vibes. So this is how it looks. Of course it's gonna look better on the picture. Really cute. And then I bought the underwears to match this. So if y'all want this bra and the panties, you're gonna have to buy it separately because it did not come with the bra. So these are the panties that I bought with it. Again, these are sold separately. Okay. They're sold separately, y'all. Here's the next bra. It's just a plain white bra. Okay. It's super big because I got them big jugs. Like I said, I'm not trying these bras on because I don't want them to yellow mark the video. So I'm gonna just put the picture right there. Hopefully they don't yellow mark the video anyway with the picture with them wearing the bra. I got a black one. So this is the black one. You're like, dang, that bra big as whoo. Look at the straps. The straps is thick, okay? Real thick. And I tried all of these bras on already. And they fit perfectly. Perfect. And what size did I get this in? I got this in a size 95E. I think that's a 42D or something like that. That's equivalent to that, I think. But it says 95E. So y'all can see. Sorry about my finger, y'all. I was, yeah, that's a 95E. What is this? Oh, another bra that I purchased. It's another bra, y'all. As y'all can see, the hook is in the front. This is the back. And I got another bra like this, but it's like, it's that, leopard print type of style. So this is the next bra. It's the same one like the black one I just showed y'all. Okay. It has no wiring in them. So I have another bra. This is the lace one. Okay. Let me try to button it up so y'all can see. So it's supposed to go like that, y'all. Of course, it'll look better on the picture. Here's this next item I bought. This cute bag. It came with the this thing. And this is how it's just plain inside. It don't look like nothing. It's just, they don't have no type of pockets in here. It's just plain, nothing. Nothing. No pockets or nothing. So you just flip it over like this and just close it. They also had other colors like this. So I decided to get this one, okay? This is really, really cute. Fire. This is fire right here. It actually looked bigger in person than it does on the website. That's what I like about it. Really nice, y'all. Just dress this up. Dress it up real casual or something, you know. These are the rest of the items. These are like some lip liner and stuff. So these are all the lip liners that I got. These are all the same colors. I got these in the number 524. It's called But First Coffee. That is the colors of all of them. It's called But First Coffee. Okay. And I got me some more of these dental flosses in the mint flavor. Got 2 packs because I ran out, and I really love these, y'all. These come in handy. These will have your freaking breath smelling amazing because it's that mint flavor. And I got me another phone case. This is for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but it does not fit on my phone for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know, they sent me the wrong case, but I did get the iPhone 16 Pro Max case. This is what this is, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. SHEIN, y'all got some explaining to do, okay? Because why my phone ain't fitting in this? It fits a little bit, but it's just, this is how it fit, like, you know, it come out a little bit, like right here. It don't fit right here or something. I don't know, it fit weird. But this would have been really, really cute. I was looking forward to putting this on my phone, and I can't put it on my phone. I'm annoyed. Dang, I ain't got money to be wasting. I got this eyeliner. Let me take it out so y'all can see. So this is how it looks. It looks like a flower. And it looks like a pen right here. But this is how you open it. Okay, so that's how it looks, y'all. Really cute. I like this, the way this is made. And it has those like rhinestones. I got me these nails. Of course, I'll leave a picture so y'all can see what I'm talking about. These is like them ghetto girl nails. And I wanted to use these for my ASMR videos. These nails, really, really cute. And I got me an eyelash put-oner. I don't know what the hell to call this, but I'm gonna call it an eyelash put-oner. Okay, so you just get the eyelashes and it helps you put them on, okay? And that's basically what that is. Then I got this bracelet and this ring. So the ring don't fit all the way on my hand. So this is what it's giving y'all. Really cute. They also had silver like this, but I decided to go with the gold. Really nice. Then last but not least, I had to get me some more of these eyelashes. Okay. I got 3 packs. These are my favorite type of eyelashes right here. These are the best ones, okay? The other ones I really don't care about. These make my eyes pop out more, okay? Period. These is it. Get y'all some. Get some, okay? All right, y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also turn on your post notification bell so that y'all can receive notifications from me for whenever I post new videos for y'all, okay? And I will leave everything in my description for y'all. If y'all decided to purchase any of these, if y'all want any of these items, they will be in my description, so no worries. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to get up out of here. Hopefully, I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all stay prayed up and stay blessed. Bye.